Hello, my name is Wichor Bramer. I am one of the information specialists of the Medical Library of Erasmus MC in Rotterdam, the Netherlands. I want to explain to you the process of searching systematically for medical literature in the database of PubMed. Many doctors and researchers struggle with finding relevant references in databases such as PubMed. This is unnecessary. In this series of videos, we explain the fundamentals of systematic searching in PubMed in order to make you a more skilled searcher. These videos and the associated workshops are not a replacement of our services. If you want to do a systematic review or another important search, do not hesitate to contact us for help. Together with you, we will create a search strategy in many different databases to ensure that you have found all articles relevant to your research question. Why is systematic searching important? If you take, for example, the topic of vitamins and hormones within the field of clinical dermatology, you will see vast differences in numbers of search results, depending on your approach. What many researchers do is they type the research question into PubMed, vitamins and hormones within the field of clinical dermatology. However, this hardly results in satisfying number of references. A better approach is to search for key terms, such as vitamins, hormones, clinical dermatology. The number of references that you get this way is acceptable. However, in this case, if you change the order of the terms, you will get a different number of references. If you choose another order, you get another number of references, and another order will give you yet another number of references. This is not what you would expect from a database. If you are a bit more experienced, maybe you have done other PubMed workshops before, you might be familiar with mesh terms. You can find mesh terms for each of these key terms, combine them together, limit them to the filter article type clinical trial, and get 0 results. Mesh terms is not the answer to systematic searching. It is a large part of one of the answers, but just using mesh terms is not the answer to a successful search. You always have to analyze your research question. If your research question is about dermatology, not each article might have the term dermatology in it. You might find more under skin diseases. However, even with skin diseases, the number is hardly satisfactory. You might be familiar with something called truncation. Putting an asterisk behind a term will search for words starting with that term. Vitamin with an asterisk will find vitamin, vitamins. Hormone with an asterisk will find hormone, hormones, hormonal, etc. The number of references, however, is still not the highest number of references that we have seen so far. If you analyze your research question more closely, you will realize that when you say I'm interested in vitamins and hormones, you do not mean vitamins and hormones. This means you are interested in articles about vitamins and you are interested in articles about hormones, which means you should search for vitamins or hormones. Now the number of hits rapidly increases. If you combine all of these tricks together, then you will find that the number of references is way too large to go through. You will find 30,000 references. After viewing these videos and doing the exercises associated with it, and maybe attending one of our live in-person or remote classes on the topic, we expect you to be able to translate this into this.